श्रीलंका।
थैंक यू।
तो एक तो बैटिंग करते समय हमने देखा कि पहले थोड़ा सा धीरे स्टार्ट करके फिर बाद में एक्सेलरेट किया। आपके काफ़ी लास्ट मंथ के स्कोर्स काफ़ी फास्ट थे, उस कंपैरिजन में आपने इस बार टाइम लिया, वो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से था?
हाँ, वो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से था और प्लस थोड़ा जब मैं बैटिंग करने गई थी तो थोड़ा मैंने विकेट को रीड किया था, जैसे कि थोड़ा सा स्लो था विकेट, तो फिर मैंने उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर प्ले किया।
पाकिस्तान गेम के सब में भी आप ऐसे खेले थे, अभी मतलब अभी रोल चेंज हुआ है और स्मृति के आने के बाद आप नंबर 3 में आए, या क्या ये बेसिक प्लान है कि जाके टाइम लेके सेट होके फिर, बिकॉज यू कैन एक्सेलरेट एनी टाइम, यू हैव द गेम?
हाँ, अभी जैसे मैं 1 डाउन के लिए जा रही हूँ तो जब भी मेरे को जैसे मौका मिलता है ओपन 1 डाउन या 2 डाउन, तो मेरे को बस अपना बेस्ट करना है बैटिंग में आइदर बॉलिंग में।
बॉलिंग में एकता कल बोल रही थी कि उसने सबको बोला है स्पिनर्स लोगों को कैसा इंग्लैंड में बॉलिंग करना है, उसका ये 3rd ट्रिप है। एकता ने क्या बोला है यहाँ तुमको इंग्लैंड में बॉलिंग करने के बारे में?
हाँ, उन्होंने यही बोला था, थोड़ा इधर का वेदर थोड़ा ठंडा रहता है, सो और विकेट भी थोड़ा सा टर्निंग रहता है, जैसे डे बाय डे कभी स्लो रहता है या कभी टर्न रहता है विकेट में, या कभी जैसे सीधा स्ट्रेटर जाता है बॉल, हम कोशिश करते हैं टर्न करने की बट वो टर्न नहीं होता, सीधा स्ट्रेटर रहता है बॉल। सो आज थोड़ा सा टर्निंग विकेट था और थोड़ा सा स्लो भी था, तो उसके हिसाब से बॉल भी किया आज।
तो तुम्हारा तो ऐसा बॉलिंग है कि सरफेस पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है, यू कैन गेट कहीं भी टर्न मिल सकता है तुमको, तुम्हारा एक्शन ऐसा है, तो वो कितना बेनिफिट कर रहा है इंग्लैंड में? अभी 4 मैच में यू हैव गॉट सफिशिएंट टर्न।
काफ़ी अच्छा, मतलब मेरा एक्शन ऐसा है तो काफ़ी टर्निंग मुझे मिलता है, तो मैं वैसे ही बॉल करती हूँ जब भी, जैसे भी स्ट्रेटर की ज़रूरत रहती है तो स्ट्रेटर और आइदर टर्न के लिए, तो वैसे दोनों।
एकता ने कल बोला था कि स्पिनर्स को उसने एडवाइस किया कि ज़्यादा वेरिएशंस पे भी ध्यान देना ज़रूरी है यहाँ पे, तो आपने आज पूनम के वेरिएशंस हमने देखे, आपके वेरिएशंस क्या यूज़ कर रहे थे आप?
मैंने क्रीज का यूज़ किया था, थोड़ा पीछे से भी बॉल डाला था और जैसे तेज़ जैसे बॉल डाली थी, थोड़ा फ्लाइट भी किया मैंने, और बॉक्स के बाहर से भी बॉल डाला, तो मैंने वो सब वेरी किया, ट्राई किया वो सब मैंने।
ये बॉक्स के बाहर बॉलिंग करना अभी एक फैशन, नॉर्मन भी डाल रहा था वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ ही, कितना मतलब पीछे से डालना कितना डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि उतना भी पावर चाहिए, 24 यार्ड्स हो जाता है उतना, कितना
जब हम क्रीज के पीछे से बॉल डालते हैं तो थोड़ा सा क्या है, जो लेंथ होती है वो थोड़ा खिंच जाता है लेंथ, तो थोड़ा सा बैट्समैन को भी आगे आना पड़ता है, इतना इजी नहीं मिलता वो बॉल जो हम क्रीज से डालते हैं, वो इजीली मिल जाता है, तो इसलिए हम क्रीज का यूज़ करते हैं।
श्रीलंका का सिराज श्रीपल्लिया भी बोल रही थी कि इंडियन का स्पिनर इतना स्लो थे कि वो लोग पहुंच ही नहीं पा रहे थे, वो कितना एफर्ट जाता है वो उतना स्लो करने में बॉलिंग, बिकॉज नेचुरली तो एक स्पीड होता है बट स्पीड को पुल बैक करना इज नॉट इजी।
हाँ, वही प्लान भी किया था हमने कि थोड़ा स्लो डालेंगे बॉल को हम लोग, तो उन तक पहुंचाएंगे नहीं बैट्समैन तक बॉल, तो हमने वैसे ही किया।
Veda, the fielding, like you took 2 brilliant catches and you have taken in the previous game also against England, but overall the fielding standards, you must be not happy with what happened today.
Yeah, to be frank, we're not completely happy because it's in bits and pieces where we're doing well. Collectively, if you look at it, there are a lot of chances and misfields. But yeah, I'm working towards it. Like you see, the seats are a little white, and there's a wind factor also. It keeps changing. So 1 over the wind will be from right to left, and the next over it's from left to right. So it takes a lot of adjustment to make, and since it's a shorter format, there is not particular position you're standing in, so you keep moving, so it plays a lot on your mind as well. But yeah, we're working towards it.
For you, when were you told that you will be playing this game?
I got to know today in the morning, before the warm-up, that I'm be playing.
Yesterday I think you did not play, like Mona batted before you in the nets.
No, I batted before. Yeah, I batted before her. Yeah.
And being dropped, being a senior member and being suddenly dropped, how much does it affect and how do you keep yourself prepared? Because today what the knock you played was crucial at that time.
See, it's a little bit frustrating when you don't get to play in the 11, because every time you come for a match, you want to perform and you want to do well for the country. But it is like you said, there are a lot of negative thoughts which come to your mind, like whether you're good enough, or what is the thing that is keeping you back. But this is where you actually test yourself whether you're mentally strong or not. And this is something like, I mean, I had a chat yesterday with Lisa. I mean, I was discussing a lot of things, but yeah, it kind of made me relaxed, I guess. And like, I was expecting that I would get a chance to play, but when I got an opportunity to play, I wanted to make use of it. And the way we were batting, I was sitting back, and I mean, I was very relaxed, thinking that I won't get to bat because our order was a little shuffled. So I was a little relaxed than what I would be. Probably that helped me even better.
194 dot balls against Pakistan, 165 today. For somebody coming at 6 and 7, how much of the pressure doubles to make up for what at the top order they have not been able to score?
See, actually, I wouldn't say the dot balls actually makes a lot of difference, because even if they take the dot balls and they score, when I go into bat, if it's 230 and we still have a lot of dot balls played, I still have to go and get those quick runs. So either if it's more dot balls or less dot balls, my job is to get quick runs in the end. So it really doesn't matter.
Cut yourself away from it.
Yeah, so because it really doesn't matter, because if you're 213 by the end of 40th over, and if you're 160 by the end of 40th over, it doesn't make any difference to my role. I still have to go and get those quick runs.
दीप्ति, आपने और पूनम ने दोनों एंड से आज थोड़ा बहुत कंट्रोल लाया. आपने 1-2 मेडन डाल के उनका रन रेट स्लो किया, फिर दूसरे एंड से पूनम ने विकेट लिया. दोनों उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए खेलते हो. आपने ये बॉलिंग पार्टनरशिप काफी डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट में भी दोनों आप इन टैंडम बॉलिंग काफी कर चुके होंगे ना?
हाँ जी.
उसके साथ बॉलिंग करना कैसा, दोनों साथ में फीलिंग करना कैसा फील होता है?
अच्छा लगता है. जैसे जब मुझे बॉल डालने को मिल रहा है तो मैं कंटेन कर रही हूँ, डॉट्स के लिए जा रही हूँ. उधर से दूसरे एंड से पूनम दी ने भी कंटेन किया, डॉट्स डाले. उन्होंने भी मुझे यही बोला कि बस जस्ट डॉट डालना है आपको, तो मैंने वैसे ही किया.
तो यही आपके डोमेस्टिक के एक्सपीरियंस उसके साथ में पार्टनरशिप में बॉलिंग डालना भी यूज हुआ है यहाँ पे?
हाँ जी, पहले हम लोगों ने डोमेस्टिक में भी हमने साथ में बॉलिंग किया है, तो उससे काफ़ी हेल्प भी मिला है.
And the logic behind getting Julan ahead instead of you or Arman?
The whole idea of the coach and whoever was deciding, because I was not aware, I was in the dressing room. Maybe because to get the quick runs, and in that process they did not wanted to lose me or Harman by sending us in the power play. They didn't wanted to take that risk, because if one of us would have got out trying to score big, that would have put us back, because me and Harman had a good 50 runs partnership in the end. So that was the only reason, because we did not wanted to lose a batsman going in.
So you mentioned earlier that form was maybe here and there today. What specifically do you think the team needs to work on ahead of the weekend?
I mean, we've been shaping up really well. If you look at it, we are doing good in 2 departments in a game. It's not been like, where we've done all 3 departments. We've not done well in that way. We're looking forward, like, especially when it comes to fielding, that is very important for us, because batting and bowling is still a reaction, and fielding is something you have to give 100%, and everybody has to do well. So after this game, we'll be looking forward to, so that we don't make much of a mistake when we play the next games, because the next 3 games are very crucial.
And obviously it's South Africa this weekend. What are your feelings around that game?
We're quite confident, because the last 4 to 5 games we've played against them, everybody has done well, and we are aware of their team. We know what combination and what players are there, so we can play according to our strength. And since we have an idea, we've been playing them recently. We played a couple of months back, so we know the team combination of them, the strength and the weakness. So we'll be working towards it.
What do you think your strengths are over South Africa?
We are more compact when it comes to South Africa, because South Africa has got, like, individually they're really good. When it comes to collective performance, they really depend on their main players to do well. But in ours, it's like we take roles, and it's not like one person is performing every day. We make sure that there's someone who steps up and scores big, and the rest just supports them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lastly, you are the lifeline of the dressing room. Obviously, you had a role outside the field also to play in the dressing room, but after now having got some runs, how happy are you and how more relaxed are you?
To be frank, actually, I haven't sunk into it. I have not thought about it. I've just been the same the last 3 games as well, because we were winning and I was still happy for the team. And today also we've done well. I'm happy for the team. Nobody sits back and thinks, okay, fine, I've performed well today, so I'm going to be happy. And if I don't do well, I'm going to sit and, feel sad about it. Everybody, like every individual in our team, is someone who actually are happy for others who are doing well. They don't sit back and think only if I am doing well that I'm going to be a lifeline to the team. So that is a good positive thing about our team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.